Hello there, my tulips. Welcome back to my channel. It is yours truly, Miss Bliss in the house. How you doing, boo? Good. So today's video is going to be a super short update of a product that I've used a couple of times, and this product almost ruined my baby locks. So if you're interested in knowing what that is, stay tuned. If you are new tuning in into today's video, I'm so glad that you decided to stop here. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like content such as this. Hit that bell's notification so that you will be alerted of new videos that are released each and every week. And by the way, join this Tulip Nation. It's absolutely free. We would love to have you be a part of this family. So the product that almost ruined my locks was none other than the Neutrogena shampoo, the anti-residue. Y'all, I've only used this product just a handful of times, not a whole lot. This particular product, from my experience, I've learned is no good for baby locks. Now maybe once your locks are matured, then maybe this product will be an awesome product to use. But when you are just starting out with starter locks, baby locks, whatever you want to call it, this product is not really a good product to use. You do need to stick to a cleansing shampoo, and this one doesn't necessarily say that it is a cleansing shampoo. So I know you guys are probably wondering what is the issue, why I am saying that this product is no good for starter locks or baby locks. Y'all, when I went in to do a retighten, I noticed that I had a lot of my locks unravel. When I was just using a cleansing shampoo, I did not have this issue whatsoever. I know for a fact that the unraveling is due to this particular shampoo simply because I had washed my hair the night before. So I was just so disappointed when I had to go back in and retwist a lot of my locks due to the unraveling. A, I don't keep my hands in my hair. B, I don't use a whole lot of products, if any products at all, in my hair besides oil to my scalp. But that's a very light oil. So the only thing that I could think of that contributed to the unraveling of my locks is this Neutrogena anti-residue shampoo. So again, I don't recommend it if you have starter locks or baby locks. Please stick with a cleansing shampoo until your locks are mature. When will your locks be mature? It's different for everyone, so I can't give you a specific time frame. Know that I'm already within my 2-month journey having my starter locks. So my locks are babies. They are literally just babies. You can still see the twist. So they're babies. They're absolutely not mature at all, and I don't know when they'll be mature enough to be able to handle the nutrients. For the most part, y'all, I'm new to this lock game. I'm definitely not a loctician. I'm definitely experiencing some trial and error as it relates to finding a product that works for my locks. If you have any suggestions for me, let me know down in the comment section below. If there's any other products that I need to be aware of, let me know that too down in the comment section below. I appreciate you guys stopping through. I'll see you tulips in the next one. Smooches.